Design and print caught my attention because I could really see the benefits of it in my business and how it would help me create the delegate packs that I create for the events that I run. 25 came about because I was a full-time event manager, so I worked for an international events company. I then had my 2 small children, so I started 25 to be able to offer those event management and business support services for businesses within the UK. The software is great because it's designed specifically for the labels. I like the mail merge feature in Design and Print because it's efficient in the way that it pulls the data. The design template is so much more flexible. You can pull in logos, you can use branding and colours. I always use Avery rather than cheaper label brands. They always stick, and combined with the software package, they always provide a really high quality finish.